Thanks for staying with us. A quick reminder of our top stories. Federal government shifts resumption of international flights till 5th of September. President Buhari approves more recruitment into armed forces. From around the globe, Mali junta releases ousted President Keita. And in sports, coronavirus outbreak at Chelsea hampers preparations for new Premier League season. The Nigeria Content Development and Monitoring Board has held a webinar with judges to improve their understanding of the Nigerian Oil and Gas Industry Content Development Act 2010. The law is meant to shore up local content in the industry. Sifon Essien reports.
The law is to protect.
It's another forum by the Nigeria Content Development and Monitoring Board to shore up knowledge on the Nigerian Oil and Gas Industry Content Development Act 2010. Among those participating in the webinar are jurists.
The policy is an apparatus.
The goal is to facilitate a speedy implementation of the Content Development Act by promoting understanding among members of the bench.
The oil and gas sector, I tell you, if not for the act, if we rewind back 10 years ago, if not for the conscientious way we have implemented this act, we would have closed all our production platforms because the experts have left. But today, we didn't feel them at all. Production still continue at its peak. We were only restricted by the OPEC quota.
The Nigerian Oil and Gas Industry Content Development Act aims to reverse more than 50 years of foreign dominance in the operations of oil and gas companies, which according to the regulator has resulted in capital flight of nearly $380 billion.
The law says that you can't bring in foreigners or expatriates to come and do anything in any work in the oil and gas industry in Nigeria where there are Nigerians that can do the job. Be rest assured that there would be people or some company that will want to circumvent that by bringing in expatriates against the interests of Nigerians to do certain jobs. So when those recalcitrant companies are caught, obviously they will be prosecuted before this court. They are going to bring in lawyers. They will have some defenses, you understand? And when there is a clear understanding of what the law is about, the judges will be in a better position to dispense justice.
The Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board is in the third phase in its implementation of the Act. Its goal is to achieve 70% local content by encouraging indigenous solutions in the industry. The NCDMB is optimistic that with the webinar, it is inching closer to achieving its overall objective. Sifon Essien, TVC News, Abuja.